Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about difference between a maintenance work request and a work order. Let's jump right into it. In the realm of facility management and maintenance, effective communication and organization are crucial for ensuring that tasks are completed efficiently and on time. Two key terms that often arise in this context are maintenance work request and work order. While they may seem similar, they serve different purposes and are used at different stages of the maintenance process. What is a maintenance work request? A maintenance work request is the initial communication from a staff member or facility user that identifies a need for maintenance or repair. This request typically includes details about the issue, such as its nature, location, and any relevant observations. It acts as a way for employees to inform the maintenance team about problems that require attention, such as equipment malfunctions, safety hazards, general maintenance needs. Key characteristics of a maintenance work request. 1. Initiation. It is the first step in the maintenance process. 2. Detail-oriented. Should include enough information to understand the issue. 3. Non-binding. It does not obligate the maintenance team to act immediately, it simply informs them of a potential problem. 4. Review process. Maintenance managers or supervisors review the requests to prioritize and determine the necessary actions. What is a work order? Once a maintenance work request is reviewed and approved, it can be converted into a work order. A work order is a formal document that authorizes the maintenance team to perform specific tasks. It includes detailed instructions on the work to be done, resources required, and timelines for completion. Work orders are often part of a computerized maintenance management system, CMMS, that helps track maintenance activities. Key characteristics of a work order. 1. Authorization. It serves as official permission to begin work on a maintenance task. 2. Specificity. Contains detailed information about the tasks to be performed, including the scope of work, materials needed, and deadlines. 3. Accountability. Assigns responsibility to specific maintenance personnel or teams for completing the work. 4. Tracking and documentation. Work orders are documented and tracked to measure performance, costs, and completion rates. Conclusion. Understanding the difference between maintenance work requests and work orders is essential for efficient facility management. By properly managing these two elements, organizations can streamline their maintenance processes, ensure timely responses to issues, and ultimately enhance the overall performance of their facilities. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.